Building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme Rumham, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast, recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Okay, so today I want to talk about my progress in WordPress development and how I'm going to improve, and how I'm going to make at least 5 WordPress themes. So, let's get into it. So, theme number 1, I built that by following this one guy on Twitter, on YouTube. He had one very long video. It was like 3 hours long. Um, I think his YouTube was Ratty. If you type in Ratty, Raddy, um, it'll pop up, and it was like WordPress WooCommerce theme, and he just built it from scratch. He didn't do like the design stuff, but he took the design that he made and made it on WordPress and showed someone how to um, basically start from scratch. And the way he did it was he showed people or me how to get like a WordPress kernel, if that's the right terminology. It was like this starter kit for WordPress where you didn't have to do anything from scratch. It was like the basic WordPress theme. This is what you can start with, so you don't have to worry about small things. And so that's how I created tunes, right? I just copied that, but I made my changes, and that was great. I'm almost done with that. I talked about that in the previous episode, so I'm not going to go over it. I think the episode is Smashing Themes Update, which is 2 to 3 episodes back. So yeah, that's where I started. And then now what I want to do is I want to learn like the ins and outs of WordPress. So basically what I want to do is I want to know everything there is in a WordPress theme. So I know if I change this in the back end, this is what's going to happen in the front end. And that way I can build a template that I can just make changes to and create new themes from. So like I make this one change, and then a button is now circular, and that way that's the thing I change. And that way what I'm able to do is I'm able to keep all the optimizations that I keep talking about, like the SEO optimization, the design optimization, but I make each theme different enough so that way I can have a new product. So how I'm going to be learning um, how I'm going to be learning WordPress is I'm going to take a course on WordPress development. So I found one on Udemy. It's kind of old. It's by Brad Travesey. He's great. Some of the React stuff, some of the JavaScript stuff that I've done in the past, I've used his videos for. So it just happened that it was by him. It didn't have his name or anything. It was like his course, but he was doing it for someone else. And the course is building 10 different WordPress themes. So like it starts with a simple theme, and then it's an advanced theme, and then it's a photo gallery theme, and then it's a WordStrap theme, so a WordPress theme with Bootstrap. Then there's an e-commerce theme, there's a business theme, there's a clean cut theme, there's a W WordPress news theme, Four Corners theme. And so since I'm just focusing on e-commerce stuff, I probably am going to do 3 of the courses. I'm going to do the simple theme, the advanced theme, and then the e-commerce theme. The issue with this course is that he uses frameworks that I haven't even heard of. So I'm going to have to figure out how to, do my designs without those themes. But that shouldn't be too hard because it's just like, actually, I don't know. We'll find out together. And I will update you guys as soon as I'm able to do that. Um, there is an issue though. I'm very slow at, you know, developing, right? So I have to um figure out how to speed up my process. Um, yeah, and then hopefully, with um this course, I won't just be able to learn WordPress, but I will take each theme that I'm making and be able to sell it. So, um, I talked about this in the previous episode. I'm sorry, but so the first thing I built was an e-commerce store for digital products, digital music products, right? So themes like background music, stuff like that. Not themes, I meant ringtones. So, and that's something unique, blah blah blah. So I have to figure out what else can I do to make my products unique. So yeah, now it's music. But what's the next thing? Is it going to be, you know, a store that sells written products like, you know, PDFs, things like that? Or is it going to be a store that sells blueprints that are like 5 gigs and you need to optimize for storage? Yeah, so that's something I need to decide, think about and decide. Um, yeah, so I need to focus on the development, finishing my first theme, getting all those errors out. Then I need to take this course, and then I need to um, create my own template from that course, and then figure out what kind of theme I want to build for the second product. Yeah, okay. That's all I have for this episode. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.